That's your signature dish, which is?
Scallops with deep-fried parma and black pudding sauce hollandaise.
Mm-hmm.
Certainly looks okay.
What do you think? It's got to be sick.
He's only gone and given me a rancid scallop.
Will someone get him a drink? Get him a drink with.
Shit. How can you eat that?
Oh.
If you knew they were off,
I
why
didn't.
didn't you say?
No, I didn't. I didn't know they were off.
They're fucking minging. You don't taste that?
I do now, yeah. It took a while now. I know what it means. I feel sick myself now.
It's grim. It's fucking grim. And it's out of order.